Flower, and the speaker is Flower Princess.
To quote William Shakespeare, experience is a jewel and need to be so, for it's often purchased at an infinite rate. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
As a child, I had a fascination for clothes, and because of the colorful dresses I wore, people called me the proud princess. I, Payal BHULANI, the first child born to my parents, Pankaj and Chandni, took up the course in fashion designing from JD Institute of Fashion Technology, Bangalore. My childhood days were spent in the beautiful beach city of Calicut. My aptitude for English language, it made me take up literature for my BA from Providence College, Calicut. My younger brother and younger sister both were toppers in their class, which reflected in their careers later on. My brother Romil, he's a Deputy General Manager in Educom Solutions. My sister Nihal, she's a doctor specializing in neurology in New York. Coming to my career, I'm a fashion designer, retailing my collection in one of the leading boutiques in Bangalore called Sanctuary near Safina Plaza. My inspiration in life have been my parents. My dad Pankaj, he taught me the ability to take risk is the only key to success. He started off as a mechanical engineer, took a risk, became an entrepreneur for high-rise apartments, and then later ventured into the most successful fashion retail houses in Calicut, Kerala. My mother, Chandni, she's an epitome of selfless services. She lives by the quote of Zig Ziglar. In life, you can get everything you want if you help others get what they want. When she was the president of Innovative Club of Calicut, she set up a swimming pool for the mentally retarded, and that was one of its kind in the history of Kerala. The basic principles which I believe is to do things with passion and enthusiasm. This made me experiment in various aspects of life. I love dancing and singing, and dancing especially during the Navratri festival, the Garba Dandiya. Here is a small step. Besides that, I love speaking. I love reciting lines from films, especially one of my favorite line, "The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plains." I hope you remember, it's the movie My Fair Lady. Another turning point in my life happened on December 12th, 2012, when I experienced an amazing show where people cracked jokes, made witty remarks, and critically analyzed each other. Yes, it was my first meeting at the Bangalore Toastmasters. This rekindled my passion for speaking. I've tried speaking several times in public, but always came back disheartened. I even attended Dr. Bharat Chandra's 2-day seminar for public speaking, but it lasted for those 2 days only. So I think I got the answer through the Bangalore Toastmasters, where you learn through a lifetime. I would say the greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. And I've taken the simple step in getting that pleasure by improving my public speaking. My journey begins right here, right now, empowering myself, using the key, unlocking the gate of the Toastmasters, and taking the simple step the club is offering me. Over to you, Toastmasters.